In this video, we will show you how to use the assistance feature on your Lily2 Active Smartwatch. To use the assistance feature, your Lily2 Active Smartwatch will need to be connected with the Garmin Connect app on a compatible smartphone. In this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but the instructions are similar on Android smartphones. To use the assistance feature, you will need to have emergency contacts added in the Garmin Connect app. See your Lily2 Active Owner's Manual for instructions to set up emergency contacts. Now, on your smartwatch, press and hold the top button to activate assistance. Release the button once you see the assistance feature on the watch. You will see a countdown before the assistance message is sent to your emergency contacts. If you accidentally activated assistance, you can cancel the alert prior to the message being sent by selecting the X. Once assistance has been activated and sent a message to your emergency contacts, you can cancel assistance and send them an "I'm OK" message. To do this, from the watch face, press the touch button, then press it again. Now select the check mark. Remember, for the assistance feature to work on your Lily2 Active Smartwatch, you will need to be paired and connected to your compatible smartphone. And that's it. You can now use the assistance feature on your Garmin Lily2 Active Smartwatch. For more help, visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.